Hey guys, this is JDizzEats, and today we are at Food Trip Kitchen in Winnipeg, and it's in Casarap Grill, by the way. So in Food Trip Kitchen, they serve up Filipino street food, but they serve Filipino desserts, and I will taste a dessert that I've never heard of before, and it's known as Iskrambol. So it's slushy with banana extract and with some powdered milk and some evaporated milk and then some chocolate syrup. I think the pink one is just the coloring one, not strawberry, and some chocolate stickos. So I can't even wait to taste them. And I know what he made. All he does is he slushes the ice in there, and then he mixed them all together, all those ingredients in to make a scramble. So let's give them a taste. All right, we're gonna give the scramble a taste. So all you gotta do is mix them. You need to mix them so you get all those flavors in there. So we're gonna put this in our mouth. It's super sweet, not super sweet, but it kind of tastes like a bit of banana and strawberry, a little bit of strawberry. Kind of reminds me of that banana strawberry. It's like an ice cream in here. So look at that, powdery. And I think it tastes like sugar, powdered sugar, and the white sugar. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I forgot I should have my stick over here. Extra sweetness in there. And this is what they would serve in the Philippines, street food. And this is pretty cheap. And the cost in here is about $4 Canadian. And this is what you get. And not bad. And it's pretty good. And kind of addicting at the same time. This is scramble. Kind of reminds me of Halo Halo, except there's no fruits in there. And this is actually pretty cheap if we were in the Philippines. And I'm gonna finish this last drink of this. Let's do it. Cheers.
Cheers daw, ginawang anak ni Jamie. Bumili na namin yung fish food. And then,
I would have them again. And if you're in Winnipeg, would recommend trying this. This is the only place you can get this scramble in Winnipeg if you guys are in Winnipeg. Or you can just make this at home. I just came back home, and now we also ordered our street food platter, and we have kikiam, quack quack, boiled egg that I had on my birthday, and some fish ball. So we're gonna taste the fish ball first, and I'm gonna put in that sweet sauce for the fish ball, and we're gonna give this a taste. So we're doing the takeout still, since during the pandemic. We're gonna give this a taste. Nice looking fish ball here. I know it's not fresh because we gotta take it out.
And fish one? What's that shrimp batter? The shrimp batter?
The sauce,
Yeah, the pura batter.
nice sweet sauce in there. And the fishball, you can taste that little bit salty in there. Next up is the kikiam. So we put on some sauce in here. Gotta put more sauce, but I'm gonna put halfway through it right now. A little bit fishy. And
Is there still ice cream?
yeah, look at that.
Dad?
Yeah. Later it's something that-
Looks like a fishball actually. Not bad. And last but not least, we got kwek kwek. And we're putting vinegar. You gotta put more vinegar in here. Or else you're not Filipino if you don't dip this in vinegar. Not the crunchiest. And the egg, the yolk, kind of tastes like boiled egg. I think this is my strategy. I think I put all these 3 street foods in here in my mouth. Fishball, kwek kwek, and some kikiam. Look at that.
Bum, 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 bum.
Pretty good. So guys, what I think about this street food, it's pretty nice. Not the best, but good enough to fill out our stomachs. And I like the fishball there. And the kwek kwek. But not much of the kikiam. It's a bit fishy. And the Iskrambol that I had at a restaurant for takeout was pretty nice. I like the sweetness in there. Kind of reminds me of Halo Halo, except no fruits. And it's just really sweet. Nice sweet treat. And the price, not bad. For $3.99, like it's a $4 dessert. Should recommend trying it out. I think it's the only Iskrambol dessert you can get in Winnipeg, or else you gotta make it at home. But I think it's pretty easy to make it at home, I guess. But anyway guys, that'll be it for this video. If you do enjoy, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share this to anyone. And guys, it's JDizzEats, and see you guys next video. Bye.